Welcome back, my friends. Today we have the cutest crafts and we're using paper bags because these are inexpensive and you can find them anywhere. I found these at the Dollar Tree year round. I'm going to take 5 for my project, but you can actually use 3 or 2 or 4. I wouldn't recommend more than 5. We're going to use ribbon as well as my pinking scissors, but if you don't have them, that's okay. You don't really need them. We're going to use a hole puncher. Now I did change into a different hole puncher and I'll show you which one. We're going to use some stickers, my scissors, and a black marker. All right, so we're going to start by just moving this bottom portion, just kind of folding it towards the bottom, just like this. And then we're going to take scissors and we're just going to cut right down that line, but making sure we're not cutting the bottom of the bag because we're going to use it for another craft. So just make sure you cut carefully so when you open that bottom part, it's whole and complete and no holes on the bottom. And we're going to do the same thing on the other 4 bags. Now that we have them cut, we're just going to line them up nice and straight, and we're just going to cut those edges using the pinking scissors. But again, you don't have to do this part. And once you have them cut, then we're going to start folding each bag one at a time directly in half. And then we're just going to stack them just like this, one inside the other. What we're creating is a little booklet. It could be a little photo journal or a little journal in general. Once I have them stacked, this is where my one hole puncher was not working. So I moved on to my crocodile because it's stronger. This is why if you need to use 3 bags, just use 3. That's fine. I'm going to hole punch 3 holes and then we are going to pick a ribbon. Now I picked one that's kind of like thin, but you can pick whatever you want. I cut them into 8-inch strips, but I wish I would have done more like 10 because it gave me a little bit of a hard time making the tiny little bows. So I'm just going to thread it through each hole and then make tiny little bows facing forward. After the bows were made, I did decide to add a little dab of hot glue right in the center. This is just to make sure that those bows are not going to come apart. Then I did cut off the excess ribbon to make sure they all match in size. And this is when now you can have all kinds of fun. I'm going to take these Dollar Tree stickers and the one that says home, I'm just going to place it vertically on the booklet in the front and then a little flower one. Again, use your imagination. You can also hand draw pictures, shapes, whatever you want. You can also add a photo to the front if it's going to be a photo album. It's looking so adorable. So now we have a booklet that has pockets inside. So what I decided to do is each pocket really give it a title. So let's say this will be my family, then it would be like vacation, my friends, whatever you want to add. What a great little booklet you can have. Now each little pocket you can add little pictures or notes or whatever you want to add to it. How adorable is this? This will also make a great best friend booklet or gift. The possibilities are endless. For this next craft, we are going to take the bottom portion of one of the bags. This is why we didn't want to cut a hole because we wanted to reuse it. We're going to use a coloring pencil, or I thought we were. I ended up not using it. A piece of scrap stock paper in the color that I had on hand. You can use white too if you want. And some colorful markers, or you can use crayons or coloring pencils. We're going to use a sticker from the Dollar Tree selection and then a regular marker. And again, we didn't use this one, but I thought we would, and then my scissors. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to cut the stock paper in the size to fit inside the little bag. Now we want to make it just a little smaller, of course, because we want it to fit nice inside, so that's the size that I picked. And now we're going to create a design to it. We're making a little invitation for a birthday party or whatever party, right? Just a little invitation. So I'm just going to do whatever my heart's desire and design. And this is when you can get creative again and do whatever you want. I'm also going to just then start handwriting, "You are invited," and then the date and the time. I think this would be such a cute little invitation to share and invite friends and family to a birthday party or an activity or a picnic, whatever you want. So I picked different color markers that I had on hand, but again, you choose whatever color combinations you want. Once I had it written, I am going to add some design on the envelope as well. This is just to add a little bit of character and colorful and just fun aspect to it. And we're going to keep it kind of simple. Once I had it nicely finished and designed, we're going to open it up and then we're going to place the invitation right inside and it fits perfectly. You can also add confetti to the inside. So when they open it, it has some cute little confetti. Oh, how fun. All right, so then we're going to close it up and we're going to bring in the Dollar Tree sticker. You can use any stickers you want. This happened to have party time, which is perfect, but any sticker would do. And then you just seal it up and that's it. You can hand it to your friends, your family members. How adorable is this? And that way we're not wasting any part of the paper bag. Let me know which one is your favorite. And I have another video here for you with tons more of beautiful fun crafts. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.